15 foods that will immediately improve your skin. They say you are what you eat, so why not nosh on these expert-recommended foods to improve your skin? While we all feel the same dread of looking in the mirror on an important day to see a red pimple glaring at you, there is a difference between the people who know how to fix this problem and those who just let it slide. The secret fix? Adjusting your diet. When you see a blemish pop up or a rash-like patch of pimples, it's usually a sign that you've indulged in too much coffee, alcohol, or aging foods. So you may be asking yourself a logical, but overlooked question. If what we eat shows up on our face, then which best foods for skin will help us look 10 years younger or solve pimple problems faster than some Clearasil? Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you skip the photo filter and bring out your natural beauty. Add these foods to your grocery list to immediately improve your complexion. 1. Salmon. Salmon is rich in antioxidants that calm inflammation. The free fatty acids serve as building blocks for healthy skin cells. How, exactly? Since our bodies don't have the ability to produce the fatty acids, eating them helps reinforce your skin's barrier, and keeps moisture in and irritants out. Eating wild salmon over farm-raised for an optimal dose of omega-3s. 2. Watermelon. Though it may sound counterintuitive, the high concentration of water in watermelon can actually reduce the water retention that leads to puffiness around the eyes. And because watermelon is low in sugar, compared to many other fruits, you don't have to worry about glycation, the chemical reaction that compromises collagen and leads to lines and wrinkles. 3. Green tea. Since green tea contains polyphenols, making it an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory, it can be used as a great toner to treat acne. It's great for healing blemishes and scars, flushes out toxins, and also keeps skin supple. The vitamin K in green tea helps lighten dark circles under the eyes, too. So, put used green tea bags in the fridge for a great 15-minute under-eye treatment. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant to protect skin from UV damage. In fact, a study in the British Journal of Dermatology found participants who ate 5 tablespoons of tomato paste daily showed 33% more protection against sunburn than a control group. 5. Carrots. This vegetable is orange thanks to high levels of beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A, which also happens to be a form of the main active ingredient in retin A. This vitamin has been found to decrease the skin's oil production, and there's also some evidence that it can improve psoriasis. 6. Avocados. There's a reason why avocados are a popular ingredient for face masks. Avocados penetrate cells at the deepest level, which is virtually a tasty way to get a basal layer skin dose of vitamins A, D, and E, good fats, and phytonutrients. Seriously, is there anything this fruit can't do? 7. Olive oil. About 75% of the fat in olive oil is monounsaturated fatty acids, which may play a role in the youth boost. The antioxidant polyphenols in olive oil could also quench damaging free radicals. 8. Walnuts. Walnuts amp up collagen production because they are also high in omega-3 fatty acids. If you're wondering what the heck is collagen, it's a protein that helps improve the skin's elasticity, preventing sagging and ultimately leaving your skin plump and youthful. Walnuts' rich omega-3 content also helps reduce stress and diminish the risk of heart disease. 9. Oranges. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that people who eat foods rich in vitamin C have fewer wrinkles and less age-related dry skin than those who don't. Strawberries, red peppers, and grapefruit are all other great vitamin C sources, just to name a few. 10. Kale. This leafy green is rich in vitamin A, which is an antioxidant and promotes healthy skin cell turnover. As mentioned earlier, vitamin A is also a big ingredient found in retin A, a medication used to treat acne. Legend has it that applying kale topically helps diminish the visibility of bruises, scars, stretch marks, and spider veins. 11. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent signs of aging caused by free radicals and may even bolster your skin's defense against skin cancer. Studies also suggest that vitamin E consumed orally can increase its levels on the skin surface, which is good news for those with dry skin. 12. Eggs. The amino acids found in protein-rich foods like meat or eggs are the building blocks of collagen production. Just don't go overboard. Your body can really only process 30 grams of protein in one meal. 13. Milk. In addition to the calcium our bones need, milk is a great source of vitamin D. This is good for your skin because getting your daily dose of D from milk means you don't have to get unprotected sun exposure, which helps prevent wrinkles and discoloration. That said, dairy can wreak havoc on some people's skin, so if that sounds like you, score your vitamin D from a supplement or other food sources. A 3-ounce serving of wild salmon or mackerel can provide nearly your entire daily recommended vitamin D intake. Meanwhile, a cup of shiitake mushrooms gets you to about 20%, the best you'll find in the produce aisle, and 3 eggs can score you another 20%. 14. Peppers. Yellow and green peppers are packed with carotenoids, another antioxidant that decreases sun sensitivity, diminishing the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and crow's feet. 15. Berries. Fruits and vegetables owe their vibrant colors to antioxidants, and berries are a wonderful source. If your diet includes blueberries, raspberries, cherries, and the like, you'll get a range of protective antioxidants that shield your skin from free radicals. Do you eat any of these skin-boosting foods regularly? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.